hello. This weekend is a Memorial Weekend. I decided to make some scones. So these scones are just simple to make, and when you have your guests, it would be nice to have this. So if they're hungry, still waiting for that barbecue, you're gonna give them this. They can eat it even with tea in the morning, or as a snack during the day while they are waiting for that barbecue. So you all have a good Memorial Day weekend, and hope you try this out. You will like it. See how it is? Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. You know how we do it. Excited to be in the kitchen. So in this video, I am going to show you how I make simple scones. I got 3 eggs here, 4 cups of flour, 3 blocks of butter, and I'm going to be using 1 cup of sugar, vanilla extract, and I'm going to start by grating the orange because I'm going to use it in there. Just the outside of it. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. So you can see I tried to grate everything out of this orange. So cool. The rest we can eat it. Put it aside. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out anything that I post. And if you like this video, press that thumbs up. It helps me a lot. And comment. So now we're gonna start making these goodies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to put baking powder. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I have the butternut here. That's what I'm going to use, but this is low fat. So I really didn't want low fat, and that's all they had. So I'm going to mix low fat with half and half cream, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is like kind of soft. I left it out to soften a little bit. I don't like using it when it's too cold. The way I learned in school is like you lift this mixture to incorporate the egg. So the more you do it is, the better, the better, the better, the better. And then I'm gonna put this. brushing it with this mixture makes it looks nice and glossy on top when it's done. They're cooking in there now. Looking good. Just came out of the oven, so this baked for 20 minutes under 400 degrees Celsius.